Welcome back. Today we're going to do a kind of work with me video as I show you how I completed this outer space mural in my son's room. Okay, so today I'm going to be working on this navy accent wall. It's adjacent to the wall where we just did our space art last week. So let's flash back to this room before all of the transformation began. This was actually the mint green room with the dark green accent wall, and now it's painted gray and navy blue. Okay, so I have my sad face because I don't have any makeup on for this portion of the video, but I begin by removing all of the hardware from the walls to make sure that I'm going to begin with a clean surface because I'm actually repositioning all of the curtain rods. And please don't forget that as you watch the video, be sure to subscribe. Click on that notification bell and click the like button. I began this project by using my acrylic paints in one of my paint trays that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. I'll admit it, I have no real plan for making this scene. I'm just kind of going with the flow with my fingers crossed that it doesn't look horrible. Don't forget guys, all of the materials that I'm using to create this mural can be found down below in the description box. Links are provided to where you can find the materials online if you can't purchase them locally. During the process, I decided to add in purple and pink in order to create some depth, but as the paint began to dry and I looked at it, it was horrible. So I decided to just simply wash it off the wall. Yes, I am actually washing the wall with a rag and some warm water, but you'll notice that the paint is not affected at all. I'll share more about the paint that I used in another video. I achieved this look by using 3 different acrylic paints. The first layer was a dark blue that was very similar to the navy blue paint on the wall. The second paint was more of a royal blue, which was a medium tone, and then the third paint color is actually a light blue that brings out that pop in the center of these asteroids. So this is the look with all of the asteroids completed, and now it's time to add some stars to our outer space mural. Now to add the stars, I've added just a tad bit of water to the white acrylic paint, and I simply dip the bristles of the brush into the paint and flick the bristles in order to splatter the paint across the mural to create the look of stars. All the planets come from this Discovery Education kit that I found at my local Walmart. All of the planets are plastic spheres that I'm going to affix to the wall using hot glue. Now, the reason why I'm using hot glue is because, again, the paint that I have chosen will allow me to add these to the wall, and when I take them down, the paint is not affected. I have already added the drapery hardware, and now I'm ready to hang the curtains. The original curtains had grommets, and I have changed them into back tab curtains as a way to disguise the rods. I found some inexpensive curtain panels with grommets at Family Dollar. However, because I'm not a fan of the style, I decided to change up the curtains. And here is the finished look. Thank you for joining me during this session of inexpensive design inspiration. Remember, new content is uploaded on Thursday so you can spend your weekends with Winnie. Bye!